What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Right now I am working on stage 12 of the Container Cafe, which is actually the railing for the top. I did the platform. Now I'm gonna work on the railing and getting the railing set. I'm actually cutting my pieces. So I actually got my welding skid fired up right now because I'm way over here and it was just quicker for me to fire it up. Cut these pieces real quick. I had 10 of them to cut real fast, and then I'm gonna go back up there and get some more measurements. Since I'm by myself, I'm doing it piece at a time. Do a few pieces, get everything done, do one stage, and then go to the next stage. So just utilizing my time, getting what I can get done by myself, while I'm by myself, utilizing the time. So as you see, I got the frame up there. I actually got the post, so I'm gonna stick those in and they just gonna stick straight up in the air, and then my long bar running right across it. So the goal is to just try to get most as I can get accomplished today and keep getting my HogOn. Black Feniks.